Concrete may look solid, but hidden dangers lie within. Water and harmful ions move freely, searching for pathways to invade. Traditional waterproofing can't solve this hidden internal threat. JAS-SUPERWA 201, dual-action waterproofing technology. Combining inorganic silicate and organic silane, activating dual protection from the inside out. The first shield, internal crystalline filling, transforming concrete into a dense, waterproof structure. The second shield, penetrating water repellency, providing long-term protection against moisture and corrosion. Certified by national standards, with quick and easy application. From vital infrastructure to high-tech facilities, JAS protects every structure. Easy and efficient application for all types of projects. 20 years unprotected, severe corrosion. 20 years with JAS-SUPERWA 201, still like new. Extend lifespan, reduce costs, and enhance asset value. JAS-SUPERWA 201 drives ESG with energy savings and carbon reduction for sustainable infrastructure. Discover advanced concrete waterproofing. Contact us today.